What's the meaning of accurate? Accurate. 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 The word accurate means free from error, especially as the result of care. It can also mean conforming exactly to truth or to a standard. In other words, something that is accurate is correct and true. Here are some examples of how the word accurate can be used in a sentence. The doctor made an accurate diagnosis of the patient's illness. The weather forecast was accurate, and it didn't rain as predicted. The scale is accurate, and it always gives me the same weight.